we're getting through another hurricane.
That's right.
This is before the storm. This is the work you gotta do. When you live in Florida, you gotta think ahead of a hurricane. You gotta think, what will it do? So you think about your power lines, you think about your house, you think about your gates, your fences. You gotta think about those things to cut the trees away.
Oh,
We should have did this a long time ago, pero we didn't. Ooh, better us doing it than a hurricane damaging. We got this. Much better. Yes.